Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview 18-foot rectangular swimming pool with pump. Make a splash this summer with the 18-foot rectangular frame pool set. The pool design provides excellent durability, all while making setup quick and easy. This pool includes everything you need for a great pool experience, including the powerful 110 to 120 volt sand filter pump, ladder, debris cover, and ground cloth. The sand filter pump saves you time, money, and frustration. The sand filter function replaces the need to buy expensive filters by only needing routine backwashing and replacement sand every 5 years. Swim your summer days away and have a blast in the water with this rectangular pool set. Product benefits: quick assembly with no additional tools, ready for water in 60 minutes. The package includes sand filter pump, pool ladder, debris cover, liner, and ground cloth. Durable frame is made of high-quality, galvanized steel with precision-engineered locking system. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.